Sakthi Hitech Constructions Private Limited is India's leading design, manufacturing, and erection of storage tanks, silos, pressure vessels, digesters, evaporators, heat exchangers, chimneys, and special purpose equipments for a variety of industries, including power plants, food and edible oils, chemical, mining and minerals, oil and gas, water treatment, and other process equipment systems. Known for its highest craftsmanship and engineering excellence, Sakthi Hitech employs latest technology, tools, and techniques to manufacture equipments from suitable grades of raw materials, ensuring long service life with least maintenance. Our ASME certified welders follow strict testing and inspection instructions, ensuring industry standards are met and exceeded. Thus, making sure our final products always conform to the customer's specification and regulatory requirements, and also offer a high degree of safety, reliability, and economic efficiency. Complementing the excellent production team is the dedicated sales and support team, ready to answer customers' tough questions and solving them. The leadership is provided by Mr. Swamy, with more than 50 years of experience in the field of fabrication and erection of equipments.
The Sakthi Hitech Constructions Private Limited was a dream project of our Sri Santanam Reddy late. We discussed in 1981 and it could not be carried out because of some problems. Then after his demise in 1984, the company was started from the scratch. And we have developed this company to this level now with the cooperation and his blessings. We have created a big asset and we have created a big business enterprise, engineering, procurement, construction company. And we scatter all the needs of power plants, thermal power plants, nuclear power plants, and process equipment manufacturing to chemical industries, pharmaceuticals, and nuclear. Mostly we concentrate on nuclear plants.
Sakthi Hitech clientele, an exhaustive list of happy clients from every major industry, stands testimony to Sakthi Hitech ability to rapidly produce high-quality tanks and vessels, making them the most preferred equipment supplier in India, with multiple quality accreditations and certifications, major approvals from leading inspection agencies and consultants, as well as government, semi-government department, and public sector undertakings in India. Design, planning, manufacturing, and erection, Sakthi Hitech always provide top quality products and services, safely, each time, every time.